wife need the house, and the kids need the love. It's about getting out, staying up on your game. If it's traffic, look backwards, get out of that lane. Through the lights, camera action, caught in the passion, the flashing and fashion, suck me in like a vacuum. The pills and the weed, then the bricks and the keys, then the clips of what drips from the tips of the sleeves of these thieves that I be with. Could easily lead you to sieges, procedures that lead you to Jesus. Sis want the whip, and then Pops want the boat, and my dog's on the trip, and it ain't off the coast. I watch your ball till the pressure rise. Work out, this ain't an exercise, but I don't wanna sell drugs. I don't wanna sell drugs. And I need a new V, but it's never how you want it, man. And this ain't the movie. Black on the Benz, and we both on that balance board. I'm stressing this court case, he's stressing that child support. But then the weather's too damp, so I take an old product and bother giving it a new stamp. I should've stayed in school like Els did, but instead I swear to turn all of my heirs to millionaires off of my failures. And shit need a deal too, remember them broke days. Tell them I hustle, tell them I'm focused. Shots to my best friends under my chest skin, and those who invested to show who the best is. But then I need peace too, my youngest be set tripping. They caught in that gang life, which forced me to rap with them. Ashamed that I ain't had to be Crip or Blood to prove them down, to shoot it out and show a nigga love. Supposed to be marriage, the horse and the carriage, no justice or peace. I'm embarrassed, the average. I'm supposed to live lavish, honeymooning in Paris, not the okie doke, the paddle boat in Pocono's cabin. I watch it ball till the pressure rise. Work out, this ain't an exercise, but I don't wanna sell drugs. I don't wanna sell drugs. Now ain't it obvious that I meet all the requirements of being a product of my environment? I need a Uzi for these fast dudes and what have you, so they could see the beauty from my bad views. And then it get treacherous in the beginning of Genesis. I knew that I would get into X and dust. Them tough times will kinda mess you up, so on birthdays I'm blowing out candles, wishing you the best of luck. I got pride, so in the blind they deny me food, so I'm forced to eat with the lines, to rock designer shoes. Some will make it to the top and then they close them off, so I stay on the low at the bottom, near that open door. And mom with the condo, and now it's a problem. And Ray moved 2 bricks, he say he got 5 more. The street life will cross you, and these guys are off you. The true religion get you digging in them horseshoes. And now I'm bargaining with they rightful ways. We in the alley, we burning Cali, smell the Florida in the microwave. I ain't got time to throw my life away, but when you're broke, it's hard not to expect snow in the sky. I watch it ball till the pressure rise. Work out, this ain't an exercise, but I don't wanna sell drugs. Pressure rise and work out, this ain't an exercise, but I don't wanna sell drugs. You know what I mean? We boys, like, we got some things for you. You know what I mean? I wanna say happy Father's Day to all the fathers. I'm happy to see all the families out here, man. What they're doing. You know what I mean? I'm happy to see us together, having fun, and a nice day out. It's definitely.
Life or death, life or death, life or death. Life or death, life or death, life or death.